What if I told you that right now in your home, you could be laying the foundation for your own thriving business? Sounds impossible? Well, then I'm here to show you that it's not. In fact, the next 5 minutes could change your life forever. So, buckle up. Let's dive into how you can start a small business at home and start building the wealth you've always dreamed of. First things first, you're probably thinking, can I really do this? Here's the thing, every successful entrepreneur was once exactly where you are, unsure and scared of taking that first step. But guess what? That fear, it's normal. It's actually healthy. It's what keeps you sharp and makes you ask the right questions. And today, we're going to tackle it head on. Here's the secret, starting small is not just okay, it's strategic. Many people think they need to launch a multi-million-dollar empire overnight. Spoiler alert, you don't. Start where you are with what you've got and build from there. If you wait for the perfect moment, you'll be waiting forever. Now, let's talk about action. Step 1 in building your dream business is choosing the right niche. What are you passionate about? What can you offer that the world needs? Look, here's a pattern interrupt for you. Stop for a second and think, what do I already know? What can I teach or sell today? This is crucial because if you don't connect your business to something meaningful to you, it will be much harder to stay motivated. Once you have your idea, you need to carve out time for it. This is where most people give up. They get busy with daily life and lose focus. But remember, your future wealth and freedom depend on the actions you take today. The real game changer, automating as much of your process as possible. Think about it. How can you make your business run on autopilot while you're sleeping? But what about the real challenges? The ones that make you question everything? You face obstacles, no doubt about it. I know, trust me. But here's the truth, the obstacles are not roadblocks, they are simply detours that teach you how to pivot and refine your plan. Every failure is actually feedback. Now, the best part, scaling. Once you get your business going and start seeing those first sales, you're going to feel a rush of excitement. But be careful, don't burn out. Scaling requires strategy. Start building systems that will allow your business to grow without you burning the candle at both ends. Alright, let's recap. Starting a business at home is not just possible, it's practical. You just need to find your niche, take action, and keep pushing through the obstacles. But here's the thing, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. The journey is personal, and I'm here to help you along the way. If you're serious about turning your home business into the wealth you deserve, then subscribe to this channel right now. Together, we're going to break through that fear and build something that lasts. Don't wait until tomorrow. Start today, and who knows, your business could be the next big thing. See you in the next video.